Hello everyone. I'm just trying to share with you this problem what we're having and I'm trying to solve this problem. So there's three switches in this switchboard and I'm going to switch on each one for you. So this one is the switch for the plug here. It's completely fine. And this is for the chimney. I'm going to switch it on for a second, but I'll switch it off. As you see, you're getting current passing through the switch. And now there's another plug that's a 5 amps. I'm going to switch this on. And as you can see again here, there is current passing through the switch itself. So this way we are getting shock from the switch. So let's see what we can do to fix this issue. Again, there is no problem here, but here we are getting current passing through. When I switch this on, again here we are getting current passing through this switch. I'm going to use this multimeter just to make sure how much current is leaking through. Just make sure you're connected, and if you want to buy this multimeter, I will leave a link in the description, or you can get it from any other nearby electrical or electronic shop. It should cost you about 200 to 50 bucks. And make sure you remove these safety plugs because you need to insert it into the socket. So I'm going to remove this. Okay, and let's see what the reading is when we check on the switch. Okay, let's first check what the actual current is, what the actual voltage is. So I have set the multimeter to the AC mode, and I have set it for 600 volts. And as you can see, it's 239, 240 volt. So here you see the setting, it's set to 600 volts. And now let's switch this on, because we know there is current passing through here, and let's see what the current that's coming through here. So we're getting somewhere about 60 volts here. Okay, now check again with other spots. Again, it's roughly around 60 volts. No current on the switch itself, but that's definitely current right underneath the switch. It's really high. It's about 130ish. So yeah, that's a concern. So it's 130 volts on right on this edge here. There is 130 volts. So let's see what we can do to have this fixed. See, the problem I see could be due to moisture in the wall. So moisture is really making the switch conductive. So let's try to break down that moisture. Let's try to break that conductivity. So I'm going to use another solvent. So here in this case, I'm going to use petrol. You could use petrol or even kerosene works if you have it handy, but now currently I have only petrol, so I'm going to try using petrol now. I'm going to use so I have petrol in this small cup here, and I'm going to use a brush. Again, I'm not wasting this brush because my dog has already chewed this up, so yeah, it's a perfect tool for this project here. So let's first switch off the switches, and I'm going to scrub the switch part here, and this is the problem area, so I'm going to scrub this area really good. And here we had problems. Okay, now it's done. Let us give it some time for it to dry up, and then we'll come back and check this. Okay, it's about 5 minutes now. I'm back. I'm going to see if this petrol solution has worked, because I have seen it has worked for a few. So let's go and check here. Oh, okay, let me switch this on. Wow, okay, you're still seeing current passing through, so moisture is still left in there. It's pretty high here, very high here. Okay, so let's see what we can do. Let's move on to plan B. Okay, for plan B, I'm going to use hair dryer. Again, the logic is there's some moisture in, so I'm trying to fix that problem. So let's see if the hair dryer can fix it. I'll reduce the sound for you, when I'm uploading, and let's see. Yeah, so I'll go ahead and switch this on. Okay, let's see if it's even working. Wow, okay, magic. Okay, I didn't expect that. I thought it's going to progress, but it's done. So I tried petrol. Petrol did not work, and I tried again hair dryer. Yeah, pretty much fixed the problem. So what I would say is whenever you're having this electrical shock from the switch, mostly the issue is going to be with the moisture around. It's going to be from the wall or the moisture from the air itself. So that's what you're trying to fix. Give it a wipe. Try the petrol solution, because I have seen it has worked for a few. Try the petrol solution. If it does not work, as you can see here, we use the hair dryer, and hair dryer seem to solve the problem. If you ask me if it's a permanent solution, I would say no, because moisture is going to seep up. So when you see again there is electrical shock from the switch, you would need to come back and have this fixed. Or if you need a permanent solution, there is something behind that's going wrong, because that's really letting in the moisture. So you need to fix it from the switch box itself. So I hope it really helps someone out there who is having this problem and haven't been able to solve this by any of these two methods. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. It would really encourage me to do more videos. So you'll have a nice day there and have fun. Thank you and bye-bye.